This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
The other day in the vlog, you know, I got cut and shit. We out here. Yo. Shit. You know, niggas always get kicked out of Walmart, so let's see how long this shit lasts. Bro, I got kicked out of Walmart like 3-4 times. Nigga. Damn. Supposed to be a car meet and shit today, or some shit. That's what we supposed to be going to, but I don't know. It's supposed to be at 7, so we gotta kill time, cause it's like 5:40 right now, so, But besides that shit, niggas gotta be productive and shit. Damn, why my shit not focusing on me? But I don't know. Damn.
I should put a hat on.
I mean, you do got a whole fit on.
Not a fit, bro.
Nigga, bro.
You say I got a
they got a whole fit on.
I threw anything on.
Bro.
It's just calm, bro. I just threw anything on.
Tight. I respect the calm fit then.
I ain't wanna fight my drawers with my jogger pants.
Tight shit.
I'm finna just throw some jeans on.
Shit.
Hold on, let me see what laptop is. I need a new one.
Damn. I'm gonna turn y'all down, cause if I get copyrighted cause it's bullshit, I swear to God, bro. Bro, I got one from school for free. They tried to charge me for that bitch. I dropped out.
I stopped using that.
I haven't touched that bitch since I was in college, for real.
I got an HP Chromebook, but I want a MacBook. Cause that Chromebook can't download everything on there that I need.
What you be using to edit?
I have my homie edit for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause he got a MacBook. I asked him like, shit, you wanna edit for me? He like, yeah.
If you wanna make some quick pay, let him know. I got some videos to edit.
Next week, cause he editing the video for me right now.
Damn. That ain't bad.
They ain't got no laptop.
Yeah, nah. Cause we in the city, that's why. Yeah, Lansing probably got all that shit.
Probably do.
Shit.
I wish my homie still
Yeah.
Them Chromebooks.
My shit healed. I see this shit. This shit's so ashy though.
A few moments later.
Shit up out here. Wait till I get my fast shit.
Bro, I done started this shit off so many different times, bro, but now you finna walk out this bit. Damn, it's cold, this bitch. It's cold. Damn, it's deep as hell, this bit, like, bro, look. I'm finna walk around to the cars and shit. Shit. Damn.
This is my first copy ever, y'all. This ain't the last one.
Oh, this ain't the last one. No, it ain't the last one. Look at these bitches for it. Oh, bro. Damn. Let's go. Damn. They skied up and shit. Bro. This lineup though. I can't get out Oh shit. Niggas trying to rev and shit. That go in. Smack out. This cold shit though, fool. Not good for the damn though.
Nigga definitely gave us some heat though.
Oh bro. Damn, security coming too.
Security gonna do?
I don't know, but they had the tow trucks already too. It's like everybody gonna take cars though.
A lot of shit.
Damn, fool.
Told y'all, boy, all year, bro, we out of.
So they've been hard as fuck, though. Oh my god. That bitch sound hard though. Damn, it's cold as fuck. I'm gonna get in the car for this cold as fuck. Nigga need their coat on. Nigga need their coat on this bitch, so it's too cold in this bitch, but shit outside though. Nigga got this whole lot packed. Boy, I'm finna put that bitch on right now. Hey, hop in your shit.
Hold on, y'all. You gotta take a little intuition break.
It's cold as fuck, bro.
It's cold as
damn.
hell, boy.
Yeah, I think cops from the condo. Oh bullshit. Shit. I was gonna go live on Instagram, but I can't feel my arms. Alright, I put my coat on, y'all, so shit, I'm probably gonna go back outside. But
I'm going black as hell.
damn. It's supposed to be a meet tomorrow, but
I had to take a look. Look, they doing it.
alright, we guys got to another spot. I just parked the shit. Damn. Damn. We finna swing. Oh shit. Oh, back into the car. Back in the car. Oh, hey, get back in the car for real. It's 3, 4 deep. Damn, take camera.
Damn, where my phone's in my back pocket.
Take camera. Ain't no need for seatbelt right now. We gotta get going.
Oh, you get going. I'm still putting this on.
That's about me. I ain't putting my shit on. Come on. Come on, come on, folks. Get trapped.
But they gonna find him eventually. That pop give him away.
That shit positive. He coming deep as fuck too. I don't like he trapped. Bro, I might be the last one game. I'm a V6. I gotta blend in with the V8s. Come on, gang. Come on. Lucky you little fucking cat. I don't want to turn my car. We might have to leave again, bro. But look at this shit, folks.
What up, bro?
Nigga, 12 done came like 4 or 5 times. But that pink, bro. He got motherfuckers pulling up and shit. Oh, he got a custom fucking.
Drove over here respectfully and got out the jam.
Damn, my shit not focusing, bro. Oh God, bro.
More moments later.
Big 5-0. Damn, dude.
Hey, bro, we have to show love.
Oh, bro.
See y'all hiding over here.
Deal.
Oh, this shit ain't steal.
That's a Capri though. Shit, we outside another stain? The stain ain't showing love. I gotta get my shit custom. I need my shit wrapped. Damn, y'all had nigga in the back seat too?
Oh, yeah. One nigga in the back.
Damn. Ain't no room in them bitches. Oh, you fast.
I'm a Mopar nigga, but.
Oh, shit. Damn. I just missed that shit.
Bro, every car meet I go to is always Camaro being the first one to do that shit. I swear to God, boy.
Hell yeah. Damn, there's more moments coming up.
Hey, we find the slowest one here, man. That's it.
I'm probably end y'all in a couple minutes though, I ain't gonna lie. Cause fuck this shit. It's getting cold.
I did a few things.
Finna get a little more footage for y'all.
Damn, fool.
You local gears, you had it.
He got two cars in that bitch too. That Capri is good. That bitch chopping. You can't that bitch. Get us out.
They finna try to block.
Bro, I ain't going home like that. Well, guys, damn, my shit won't focus. Damn, well, guys, so we're gonna end it right here. Catch y'all in the next video, you know. Gotta somehow make it home. It won't focus, but y'all see these lights here. Gotta make it home. So, y'all stay tuned. Tight shit. Y'all lied, y'all. You thought I was turning this shit off? Hell nah, bonus clip. Bonus clip. Damn, fool. My fault, y'all. My fault, y'all. Oh, shit. Bro, look at the lineup there. Bro, this lineup hard, though. Oh yeah. Oh no, that shit hurt.